Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. AI is now used in many ways. One area of AI called deepfakes is raising concerns. Deepfakes are videos that look real but are actually fake. They are made using powerful AI technology. Deepfakes can make people appear to say or do things they never did. This has serious implications for our society. Deepfakes can be used to spread misinformation, manipulate elections, and damage reputations. The rise of deepfakes presents a challenge to our understanding of truth and reality. As AI technology advances, it becomes more difficult to distinguish between what is real and what is fake. We need to be aware of the dangers of deepfakes and develop strategies to combat their negative impact. We must also consider the ethical implications of this technology. Deepfakes get their name from deep learning. Deep learning is a type of AI that uses algorithms to learn from large amounts of data. In the case of deepfakes, the AI is trained on a dataset of images and videos of a target person. The AI learns the person's facial features, expressions, and mannerisms. Once trained, the AI can create realistic videos of the target person doing or saying anything. The process of creating a deepfake typically involves two AI algorithms, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates the fake video, while the discriminator tries to distinguish between real and fake videos. The two algorithms work in tandem, with the generator constantly improving its output based on the discriminator's feedback. This adversarial process leads to increasingly realistic deepfakes. Early deepfakes were relatively crude and easy to spot. These early attempts often had noticeable flaws, such as flickering or blurring around the edges of the face. However, as AI technology has advanced, so too has the quality of deepfakes. Today's deepfakes can be incredibly realistic, making it difficult even for experts to distinguish them from real videos. The availability of powerful and affordable computing resources has also contributed to the rise of deepfakes. Initially, creating convincing deepfakes required significant technical expertise and computational power. However, in recent years, there has been a proliferation of user-friendly deepfake software and apps. This has made it easier than ever for individuals with limited technical skills to create their own deepfakes. The democratization of deepfake technology is a cause for concern, as it increases the potential for misuse. Section 4. The evolution of deepfakes, advancements in AI and accessibility. The evolution of deepfakes has been driven by advancements in AI, particularly in the field of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These networks have revolutionized the way we create and manipulate digital content, making it possible to generate highly realistic images and videos that are almost indistinguishable from real ones. GANs are a type of deep learning algorithm that has proven to be highly effective in generating realistic images and videos. They work by pitting two neural networks against each other. One generates the images, while the other evaluates them, refining the results through continuous feedback. The use of GANs has significantly improved the quality and realism of deepfakes. This technology has advanced to the point where it can create videos that are nearly impossible to distinguish from authentic footage, raising both exciting possibilities and serious ethical concerns. Another factor contributing to the evolution of deepfakes is the increasing availability of training data. With more data, these algorithms can learn and adapt more effectively, producing even more convincing results. Deep learning algorithms require vast amounts of data to train effectively. The more diverse and extensive the dataset, the better the algorithm can learn to generate realistic content. The internet, with its abundance of images and videos, provides a rich source of training data for deepfake creators. Social media platforms in particular offer a treasure trove of visual content that can be used to train these algorithms. As more data becomes available, deepfake algorithms become more sophisticated and capable of producing even more convincing results. This continuous improvement cycle means that the technology is always evolving, becoming more advanced with each iteration. This constant evolution of deepfake technology makes it crucial to stay informed about the latest developments and their potential implications. Understanding how these technologies work and their possible uses and misuses is essential for navigating the digital landscape. The rapid pace of advancement presents a challenge for researchers and policymakers working to mitigate the risks posed by deepfakes. As the technology continues to evolve, so too must our strategies for managing its impact on society. Section 5. The dark side of deepfakes, dangers, ethical concerns, and real-world examples. The ability to create realistic fake videos raises a host of ethical and societal concerns. These concerns are not just theoretical, they have real-world implications that can affect individuals and communities alike. One of the most pressing dangers of deepfakes is their potential to spread misinformation and manipulate public opinion. This can lead to widespread confusion and mistrust among the public. Deepfakes can be used to create fake news videos that appear credible, potentially influencing elections or inciting violence. The impact on democratic processes and public safety can be profound. The erosion of trust in traditional media outlets makes it even easier for deepfakes to gain traction and sow discord. This undermines the very foundation of informed citizenship. Another concerning aspect of deepfakes is their potential to damage reputations and ruin lives. Individuals can find themselves victims of false portrayals that are difficult to disprove. Deepfakes can be used to create compromising videos of individuals without their consent, leading to blackmail, harassment, or public humiliation. The psychological toll on victims can be devastating. The non-consensual use of deepfakes for revenge porn or other malicious purposes is a serious issue with devastating consequences for victims. Legal systems around the world are grappling with how to address these violations effectively. Addressing these harmful applications of deepfakes is crucial to protect individuals' privacy and safety. It requires a coordinated effort from lawmakers, technology companies, and society as a whole. Section 6. Combating deepfakes: detection, awareness, and regulation. The fight against deepfakes requires a multifaceted approach. Detection technologies are being developed to identify and flag deepfakes. These technologies often rely on analyzing subtle inconsistencies or artifacts in the video that betray its artificial nature. For example, deepfakes may exhibit unnatural blinking patterns or inconsistencies in lighting and shadows. However, as deepfake technology improves, detection becomes more challenging, requiring constant innovation in detection methods. Public awareness is crucial in combating the spread and impact of deepfakes. Educating individuals about deepfakes, their potential harms, and how to identify them is essential. Media literacy programs can play a vital role in teaching critical thinking skills and helping people discern real information from fabricated content. By empowering individuals to be more discerning consumers of online information, we can mitigate the spread of misinformation through deepfakes. Section 7. A call to action: navigating the age of deepfakes with responsibility. The rise of deepfakes presents a significant challenge to our society. These manipulated videos and audios can deceive people, spread misinformation, and even damage reputations. As AI technology continues to advance, it is crucial that we approach this challenge with a sense of responsibility and urgency. The potential for misuse is vast, and the consequences can be far-reaching, affecting individuals, organizations, and even nations. We must be cautious about the information we consume and share online, verifying sources and being critical of potentially manipulated content. Fact-checking and skepticism are essential tools in our digital toolkit. We should advocate for ethical guidelines and regulations regarding the use of deepfakes. This includes pushing for transparency in AI development and holding creators accountable for malicious content. Policymakers, tech companies, and researchers must work together to develop comprehensive solutions for detecting, mitigating, and regulating deepfakes. Collaboration across sectors is key to creating effective strategies. This includes investing in research and development of detection technologies, promoting media literacy, and establishing legal frameworks to address the malicious use of deepfakes. Education is crucial in helping the public understand and recognize deepfakes. Deepfakes are a stark reminder that we are entering an era where distinguishing reality from fabrication is becoming increasingly difficult. The line between what is real and what is fake is blurring. We must navigate this new landscape with awareness, responsibility, and a commitment to preserving truth and trust in our digital age. By staying informed and vigilant, we can protect ourselves and our communities from the dangers of deepfakes.